Welcome back to addition Leighton Bakes. Today we'll be making a brownie with syrup with ice cream, and it's off my grandma, and I'm gonna make it for us today. We have put some water into the bowl already. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons of butter into the bowl. One, two. That's the 2 tablespoons of butter. Well, let's put the chocolate powder into the bowl now. That's the powder into the bowl now. Now let's put the Nutella into the bowl now.
Trying to break my bowl, mate.
And the one.
Just start mixing it in now.
Now we're gonna finish off mixing the mix, and now we're gonna put a drop of oil into the teeniest frying pan. That's the oil.
Whoa, man, it's getting pretty retro in here.
So we know I'm moving.
Yeah.
We'll put the oil into the pan now. We're just putting the brownie mix into the frying pan. That's the thing now. We're going to put it into the oven for 15 minutes. That's in the oven for the 15 minutes. And that's done.
So you can sort out all them dishes now then, can't you, for 15 minutes? Yeah.
No, thank you.
You alright, Leighton?
I'm fine.
How long's it been, matey?
13 minutes.
So it's been in for 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Prise your head away from the oven door, mate. You've got to let it cook.
I know. Now, we're going to turn off the oven, except we're going to leave it in the oven for a couple of minutes to cool down. Now we're going to let it cool down in the oven. Now we'll get the brownie out the oven. That's the brownie.
What's up, matey?
That's hot.
Is it hot? It's just come out the oven, isn't it?
Yeah.
I did say it'd be super.
Even I would be hot if I came out the oven.
You would.
Now we're going to do the vanilla ice cream. That's the vanilla ice cream on brownie. Do you want to go get a soap? So? Now we're going to find this. Going to put some soap on. That's the syrup on. That's the brownie and syrup and ice cream done. Thank you for watching another edition of Late and Bake. See you next time.
Is it cold, the ice cream? Yeah. How's it taste?